Welcome to Georgeway mathTV.
So how am I going to do this right here? Rewrite using an exponent. Well, I see the same number multiplied by itself right there. So what I have to do is I'm going to have to copy one of these numbers. So 5 times 5 times 5. I'm going to copy one of the numbers, in this case 5, right? And how many 5s do I see right here? 1, 2, 3. So that means the exponent will be what? Will be 3. So 5 to the third is my answer. What about this one? Let me make sure I really got this. So I see, again, the same number is multiplied by itself. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So the rule is, I know I have to copy one of the numbers, 3. And the power, this is how I will know. How many 3s do I see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means it should be to the 4th power. So 3 to the 4th is the answer. That wasn't bad. It's your turn now. I want you to practice some of these questions on your own so you can make sure you got this. And I know you got it, okay? Just do it for fun.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.